He who dwells in the shelter of the Most High, who abides in the shadow of the Almighty, will say to the Lord, my refuge and my fortress, my God in whom I trust. For he will deliver you from the snare of the fowler, and from the deadly pestilence. He will cover you with his pinions, and under his wings you will find refuge. His faithfulness is a shield and buckler. You will not fear the terror of the night, nor the arrow that flies by day, nor the pestilence that stalks in darkness, nor the destruction that wastes at noonday. 1,000 may fall at your side, 10,000 at your right hand, but it will not come near you. You will only look with your eyes, and see the recompense of the wicked, because you have made the Lord your refuge, the Most High your habitation. No evil shall befall you, no scourge come near your tent, for he will give his angels charge of you, to guard you in all your ways. On their hands they will bear you up, lest you dash your foot against a stone. You will tread on the lion and the adder, the young lion and the serpent you will trample underfoot. Because he cleaves to me in love, I will deliver him. I will protect him because he knows my name. When he calls to me, I will answer him. I will be with him in trouble. I will rescue him and honor him. With long life I will satisfy him, and show him my salvation. Psalm 91 is a powerful declaration of God's protection, security, and faithfulness. It offers reassurance to those who trust in the Lord, describing how God shelters, delivers, and watches over his people in times of danger and fear. Themes and lessons. God as a refuge and fortress. The psalm opens by portraying God as a safe and protective shelter for those who dwell in his presence. Trusting God brings peace and security. Those who dwell in the secret place of the Most High find rest and safety, no matter the chaos around them. Divine protection from danger. The psalm describes protection from hidden traps, deadly diseases, nighttime fears, war, and disasters. God's protection is both physical and spiritual. The imagery covers everything from natural disasters to spiritual battles, reminding us that God is our shield in all areas of life. Angelic guardianship. God commands his angels to guard his faithful followers and keep them from harm. We are never alone. God sends help. God appoints his angels to guard us, assuring us that we are not abandoned in times of trouble. Victory over evil. The psalmist speaks of trampling over lions and serpents, symbolizing triumph over powerful enemies. God's promises to the faithful. God himself speaks in the final verses, promising deliverance, honor, answered prayer, long life, and salvation to those who love and trust him. Love and obedience unlock God's promises. God's protection and blessings are promised to those who love him, acknowledge his name, and walk in close relationship with him. God responds personally to his people. The psalm ends with a divine promise. I will be with him in trouble. I will deliver him, showing God's personal care and involvement. He who dwells in the shelter of the Most High will rest in the shadow of the Almighty. Psalm 91 verse 1. Psalm 91 teaches that God is our ultimate protector. When we put our trust in him, we are covered by his presence, surrounded by his angels, and assured of his help in every trial. It invites us to live in faith, not fear, knowing that we are safe in the shadow of the Almighty.